friends, so for this reading lesson, you will need a piece of paper and a pencil. Okay, so before we start reading, we are going to make our chart so we can take notes just in case we need to, okay? Today we're going to be learning about seahorses. Look how crazy they look. Wow, they must be really good at camouflaging in the coral. Okay, friends, we always start with our title. Make sure you have your pencil and paper. I'm doing mine in marker so that you guys can see, okay? Seahorses. That's kind of a funny looking. Yes. Seahorses is 2 words, friends. Seahorse. Let's make it plural. Seahorses. Okay. Make sure you have seahorses written. And the 3 words we use to describe nonfiction in our writing, we use the word can, have, and are. Okay, can, have, are. Okay. You also know that you can use the words they also, that looks so messy, I'm sorry friends, they also, A-L-S-O, okay? You can also use the words like to, live, eat, all kinds of stuff. So friends, we did this with sharks already, we've done it with all the animals, so that's the only part I'm going to do for you. The rest of it you're going to do by yourself, okay? I'm going to guide you through it with my voice, but I'm not going to write things down because you know how to do that, okay? All right, make sure you're with me. Pause the video if you need to. Remember, we're listening for the words can, have, are, okay? What words are we looking for? Okay, take it away. Here we go. Seahorses. I almost read the back that says under the sea. That's not what it is. Sorry, friends. Seahorses. Miss Nielsen's going cuckoo, cuckoo bananas. All right, here's our table of contents. Here's what we're going to be reading about today. What are seahorses? Seahorses are fish. Seahorses are fish. Seahorses are about as long as a new pencil. So this one's a little bit shorter, but this is about the size, right? So they are the size of a new pencil. That's a lot to write. So as a new pencil, is it big or small? It's kind of small, right? Like if you saw an animal about that size, you would say it's a small animal. So you could say seahorses are small. Body parts. Ooh, I bet we're going to learn all about what seahorses have, right? The different parts of their body that they have. The head of a seahorse looks like the head of a horse. Bony plates cover seahorses. The plates help keep seahorses safe. So seahorses have plates. It's like their body armor, their protection, right? Seahorses have fins. They move their fins to swim. Seahorses have fins. How else could you write that? Do you have to use the word have? Seahorses use their fins to swim. Seahorses can swim with their fins. There's a lot of different options where you can add in those extra details, friends. You decide. Here's the labeling. Fins. Seahorses have curly tails. Ooh, I like that they described the tails using the word curly. They have curly tails. They hold on to plants with their tails. Check out that picture. Seahorses have curly tails. Okay, what seahorses do? Seahorses hold on to each other with their tails. Seahorses hold on to each other with their tails. That one's kind of a long sentence. Seahorses can hold on to each other. Seahorses use their tails. Hold on to each other sounds like a lot. We could write seahorses can stay together, right? That's another way you could write that sentence. You don't have to write exactly what they put in the book. In fact, friends, it's better if you write the information that you learn with your own words, with your own voice, right? Rather than what they use in the book. Seahorses can change color. They hide near plants. Seahorses can change color. Ooh, when they blend in with their environment, with their background, friends, what's that called? What's that called? Seahorses can camouflage. Whew, that's a big word. It's okay if you don't spell it quite right. Just sound out what you hear, okay? Seahorses can change color. Seahorses can camouflage. Under the sea. Seahorses swim in shallow water under the sea. Ooh, friends, if they're in shallow water, they're where there is sunlight. Which zone are they in? The sunlight zone, right? Seahorses live in the sunlight zone. Seahorses can swim in shallow water. All right, that's a lot of information, okay? So I want you to pick 3 facts about seahorses. Actually, 4 facts about seahorses. And friends, what you're going to do is you're going to pretend that you are a seahorse, okay? You're going to pretend that you're a seahorse and you're going through your whole day as a seahorse. And you are going to write what you can have or what you are throughout the day, if that makes sense. So for example, if I were a seahorse, first, I would stretch my fins. Okay, you want to stretch your fins, get ready to swim. Then I would swim under the water. Next, what are some other things you might do? Next, you might what? Last, you might what? Okay, it's kind of a challenging writing assignment. Try your best, okay? If you get at least 3 things that you would do as a seahorse, that's totally fine, okay? You're gonna do great. I'm so proud of you. Good luck.